Hello everyone, this is my video from my site. We're supposed to make an application that lets pharmacies post medication and users buy them. We called medication pills and we called users patients. So let's first start by making an account as a pharmacy to post stuff. Let's call it the passwords here are going to be hashed, and every time I sign up as a pharmacy, I'm going to create a new table for said pharmacy. So every pharmacy is going to have its own table. Let's just do some gibberish here. It doesn't have to be accurate. It can't have this, apparently. So, account created. Let's log in. So this is the dashboard. We can change things, we can add descriptions. Let's change the phone number, for example. It's a weird phone number, so let's make a plausible one. Confirm. Okay, as you can see, it changed in the database. As we're going to see that a new one just got created. Doesn't have any information yet, but we can find its information here. This is where we can find the orders. We don't have any orders yet, but let's create something to have those orders. I don't know any medication name, so I'm just going to write random things. Let's make this a fever medication along with pain. Let's set the price and the stock, and you can also set a picture. And this picture took me so long to code. It was so hard, but now we can have pictures. So if I go here, it's saved as a long blob along with the other information. We can show the pills, we can adjust the price, we can change information, we can also delete them. Let me just make example, just some gibberish for me so I can delete. So pills, as you can see, it's here and it's here too. It's also pills, by the way. It also gets, here is mad and here's the gibberish. Right, let's delete it. And as you can see, it's deleted here. It's not here, and it's not here either. So let's log out now. Let's make an account. Up. It's not properly. Let's log in now. This is the interface for patients. We can change information here too, so obviously we can do this. We can get it here too, so patients. Here it is with the changed password. We're gonna have orders show up here later, but first, let's go browse. Let's go shop. So I set up a filtering system, so concatenated a bunch of requests, so I can mix and match these as I want. So let's say I only want the pill 2, which is this, so this should show up. I only want things that have fever. Only these two medications have fever. I didn't set up a name for this one, that's a fault on my part. But let's see if they have the same price. Let's see what headaches has had. Like, no, apparently no medication has headaches. Alright, let's see the ones that are in diarrhea. Okay, I want the ones that are in diarrhea but they are over 50, so we want this one. So minimum price is 50. I only get this one. We can mix and match however we want, it doesn't matter. I set it up in a way that it's good. Don't mind the names, I just enter them directly into the database. So let's go to cart. We ordered things here. I set up a cookie system with JavaScript and I connected that cookie system to PHP so I can put them into the database. So let's see, this is the cart that we have and you can buy things from here. So if we buy pills here, we have received your order. What's happening is that JavaScript has elements. There is like data, metadata in HTML. I stored the information about each pill in that metadata, and then that metadata turned into cookies using JavaScript, and then JavaScript got those cookies and sent them to PHP through a hidden form here. It was really fun to code this part. So yeah, that's clear. Let's go into accounts, and as you can see in my account, this is the medication I ordered. I'm sorry for the names again, I don't know any medication, so I just put random things. So this is from the client side, and if we go back into the pharmacy, we can see the orders here with the date and the price and the email and the contact of the patient. There are also other pharmacies. There is no pharmacy that's found. This is another feature. There are checks to tell you if you're doing the right thing or not. So I think I worked with this before. Yes, and there's going to be a lot of orders here because I was using this for testing before. So yeah, this was really fun to code. The filtering system specifically was very fun to code. Connecting JavaScript to PHP was very fun and exciting. I used a lot of CSS. I learned that you can use CSS for little tricks like hiding a form that you use or something like that. This is a database. Every time you create a pharmacy, you create another table. The passwords are all hashed. This is how they're set up. There are keys, foreign keys. This one specifically, if I just go back, these ones specifically were done using inner joins. And just to show the code a little bit, even though I already sent it to the teacher, this is what the code looks like. There is obviously classes, there is obviously these requests. There are a lot of JavaScript too. If I just find it, it should be here. Cart. This is the cart page. It was very fun to code. Anyway, we're approaching the 10-minute mark here, so I just want to say that I had a lot of fun coding this. I really enjoyed it. I'm very proud of it, and I think I did a lot of options, a lot of features that are worthwhile. Thank you for listening.